What's the next big thing at AI at Work? I'm here with Feiran. You're the Vice President of Incubation, and I'm with Imran Aziz, your Director of Product Management, and we have some big announcements to make today. We saw it at the keynote, Autopilot. Can you explain what it is and why it is so exciting as a next big shift in what's happening in AI at Work?
Yeah, absolutely. So Autopilot is actually a collection of capabilities that handle personas of our users, from developers to business analysts to testers to all the way to the everyday end-to-end user. And what autopilots are going to do is they're going to incorporate generative AI into the already AI-powered capabilities we have at UiPath to speed up development, to speed up testing, and also to deliver novel use cases in a delightful way.
Can you give some example of technical use case?
Yeah, absolutely. On the developer side, Autopilot will help you scaffold and build workflow templates in a much faster pace. On the testing side, it's going to help you generate test cases, help you automate test cases in a faster way. On the business analyst side, it's going to help you interpret results from process mining and other types of discovery products faster. And then very excitingly, on the end user side, it's going to be able to do automations from scratch, no prior automations built, based purely on AI, interacting with applications as a human would.
And I like to understand that, and then I go to you, Imran.
Great.
Can you explain me such an example from the end user perspective? How can I use Autopilot and why is it so fascinating?
Absolutely. So we're super excited about the announcement today, but the goal is to unlock productivity for end users. So tasks that they do every day, from travel planning to processing digital paperwork to looking at what's important in their calendar or email, can now all be done through an interactive chat experience. And so the examples you saw today, where there's a hotel receipt coming after a conference that I might have forgotten about, and Autopilot will scan that, get that attachment, transfer it into the interactive chat context, be able to use our specialized document understanding models to understand the information within it, extract that out, and ask you as a human, saying, hey, do you want to approve and submit this for expense approval? And then after you say yes, it takes that information, puts it in Concur, which is what we use at UiPath internally for expense systems. Other companies might use others, but Autopilot is configurable to be able to work with any external system. So then it uses that UI automation to fill out details, including tax, room rate, so you're at zero, and then you just submit the expense once you approve it.
And it's proactive, so it's not that I need to think about, oh, I forgot about the receipt, or I get a reminder. It's proactive.
Exactly. So today you saw where you asked a question and it can do it.
Yeah.
There's also a proactive nature where it can let you know that there is something pending that you might want to act on. So I think the goal is to, as a productivity worker, reduce chores and work that you really don't enjoy doing as much. It's more monotonous, and free you up for things that are more creative. And that's what we announced today. I'm super excited about it.
I need this in my inbox.
After the conference,
I have a lot of receipts to process, so I think this is quite exciting because it really helps me as an end user, but I think from a technical perspective, every different role, how it helps to create these workflows yourself, it's amazing. If you don't need the help from all the engineers and defining all the processes, that's an amazing step.
Thank you.
Thank you for the great announcement. Thank you for watching about this great announcement here at UiPath Forward 6 from Las Vegas.